Hi guys, this is Byrd, your curvy sewist, and I am here today with a Wawak unboxing. I'm going to call it an unbagging since it is in a bag. If you haven't tried Wawak, I recommend that you do. This company, it's W-A-W-A-K. You can find them online only. They don't have a physical presence here in the U.S. They ship throughout the U.S. and in Canada as well. If you order today, generally speaking, if it's during the week, you're going to get your order if you order, say, early in the day, by the next day, which is really, really amazing because if you're working on something and you find that you're missing something, you can reach out to Wawak and you're going to get it within a day or two. Now, if it's the weekend, it might take, until the next week before you get it, but you're not going to be waiting long, which is one of the things I love. They were kind enough to send over an assortment of things. So let me share with you what's here. So I've opened it, but I haven't gone through it. So there is the packing list. Uh-oh. And then in the packing list, ooh, cute. They sent me some stickers. I'll be adding those over on my sewing machine. I love to decorate the sewing machine with some stickers. So that's super cute. I actually haven't seen that yet in their shipping packages. This must be new. I like that. And they give you a cute little card. It's all fun and games until the bobbin runs out. Ain't that the truth, God, guys? All fun and games until that bobbin runs out. So really cute and a little thank you card. And they've been in business since, oh my gosh, 1907. All right, Wawak, let's see what's in the package. Okay. Oh, guys. If you have been following me here, and hopefully you are, so make sure that you subscribe for updates on a bunch of different things, sew-alongs, pattern reviews, unboxing, and the like. I like to make bags, and I love to make tote bags and things like that for as gifts for family members and friends. And I was out of webbing, and they sent me a roll. So it's 10 yards of this. This is 1 inch wide of their cotton webbing. It feels like really great quality. This is a heavyweight cotton. If you're making tote bags, certainly you can use your fabric to make straps, but it is so convenient and super easy to add webbing. It brings I think it kind of ups the look and the vibe and the stability and quality of your bags when you're able to add some webbing. So this is nice. I've been wanting this, so that's great. And 10 yards is going to last me for a while. Their pricing is very competitive too. So I have a couple other pieces in the webbing area. This is a different type of, it's polypropylene, medium weight. And this one is 1 inch and this is a gray. So I like that really neutral color, another really cute one. And then the final one is another polypropylene. This is a heavyweight and this is 1 inch and it's a taupe. So similar to the gray, but not quite. So thank you, love that, need those things. This is a Dritz Disappearing Ink Marking Pen. I like to use different notions to mark the notches and things like that on my pattern with something that is heat erasable. Because sometimes if you're using something that won't actually disappear if you put the iron on, sometimes those can actually show in your final garment, especially if the garment that you're using is light colored. So I'm excited for this. Honestly, I'm going to need this in other colors as well. This is a really pretty purple. So I really like that. Again, excellent competitive pricing. And then the final bit of the bag, lots and lots of zippers. I love to make, like I said, tote bags, zippered bags, and I'm looking around. I took it out of the room. I recently made, wish I had it here with me, guys. I recently made a couple toiletry kits, and let me go and grab those real quick. These are the toiletry kits, makeup bags, whatever you want, craft bags that I recently made, and I use Wawak's bag zippers for them. I love their bag zippers because they just open and close with great ease. So I really love the way that that came together. This is the other one. So again, I made one for my husband with scrap fabric and one for myself. And the Wawak zippers, I really love it. Now, while I have them, the structure of the bag, I use a flexible foam, but I also use to create the structure for the sides of the bag and the gusset of the bag is Wawak's Profuse Flexible. So I've had this for a while. It comes in, there are about 5 yards of this. So this will last me for a while. So this is what I actually used inside the bags. It wasn't in my, my little gifted bag this time around, but I wanted to share that with you because I think this is definitely a win. So anyway, back to the unbagging. There's a Wawak zipper. So the Wawak zippers, I have a couple different types. I love the quality of their zippers. So I'm going to tell you, instead of going to the local stores, I'm going to stick with Wawak. I really do love their zippers. I got a handful of invisible zippers, just a couple different colors. And frankly, if you put your invisible zipper in pretty well, you don't even really see the color of the zipper. The teeth are completely invisible, and I just love the quality. I like to get longer invisible zippers because it's super easy for me just to cut them if I'm making something that, say, only requires an 8 or a 10-inch zipper. So just a couple different invisible zippers in different lengths. Thank you. And then over here, zippers. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Zipper art. It is complete zipper art. That's what I'm calling it. Okay. So these are different weight zippers. Some are a little bit wider. I have different lengths. This is a really beautiful white, a couple different of the white and the neutral colors, which is what I opted for with these toiletry kits. So a couple of those, and I love blue. So you know your girl had to get some blue. One has the kind of silver color zipper teeth and the other is gold. So love to be able to mix it up. I have a couple along the red and orange spectrum. Aren't they so beautiful? Beautiful, rich colors. Here's a navy blue. This is a heavier one, a little bit wider zipper tape. And this would be probably nice for a purse. So really good quality. A mustard color zipper. Super cool. And then another one that's wider tape, good quality, little heavy quality of a tape. This would be good for like a zip up that's like a half zip, again for a purse. And then a couple other neutral colors as well. Couple different black zippers with different color zipper teeth. So thank you so much, Wawak, for my goodies. I love them, and I am going to be putting all of this to immediate use. Thank you again, and thank you guys so much for watching. This is Byrd. Y'all have a good time. Happy sewing for now. Bye-bye.